Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Clearing snow becomes faster and easier with compact powered tools designed for tight spaces and quick jobs around your home, driveway, or walkway during winter conditions. Best small electric snow shovel options deliver lightweight control, efficient performance, and reliable results. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Westinghouse 11-inch Electric Snow Shovel. The Westinghouse 11-inch electric snow shovel is a reliable and practical solution for homeowners looking to simplify snow removal without the strain of manual shoveling. Powered by a 10-amp corded motor, it delivers consistent performance, capable of moving up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. Its ability to clear a path 11 inches wide and 6 inches deep makes it ideal for sidewalks, driveways, and smaller outdoor areas. One of its standout features is the 20-foot snow throwing distance, which helps keep cleared areas free from buildup. The corded design ensures unlimited runtime, eliminating concerns about battery life or fuel. Additionally, the built-in LED light enhances visibility during early mornings or nighttime use. Its ergonomic handle and angled shaft promote a comfortable, upright posture, reducing back strain during operation. While the need for a power outlet may limit mobility, its lightweight build and easy maneuverability make it a dependable tool for efficient and hassle-free snow clearing. Number 2. Ego Power Plus SNS 1200 Electric Snow Shovel. The Ego Power Plus SNS 1200 electric snow shovel stands out as a premium cordless option designed for both performance and convenience. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it offers smoother operation, reduced vibration, and longer lifespan compared to traditional motors. This model is capable of throwing snow up to 25 feet with a 60-degree directional control dial that allows users to easily adjust the discharge direction. It is particularly effective for clearing moderate snowfall, including up to 6 inches across a standard driveway. The cordless design provides excellent freedom of movement, making it ideal for areas where power outlets are not easily accessible. Its compatibility with Ego's Arc lithium battery system ensures reliable performance, although the battery must be purchased separately. The 2-speed selector adds versatility, allowing users to control power and efficiency based on conditions. With its foldable shaft for compact storage and overall durable build, this snow shovel is a strong choice for those seeking a balance between power and portability.
Number 3. VOLTASK 24-volt Electric Snow Shovel. The VOLTASK 24-volt electric snow shovel offers an excellent balance of affordability, portability, and ease of use, making it a great option for light to moderate snow clearing tasks. Weighing only 9.3 pounds, it is one of the lighter models available, which makes handling and maneuvering much easier, especially for extended use. Its 24-volt motor, paired with a 4.0 amp-hour battery, provides enough power to throw snow up to 20 feet, while delivering a runtime of approximately 25 minutes per charge. This makes it suitable for smaller areas like sidewalks, patios, and decks. The adjustable snow guide plate, which rotates up to 30 degrees in either direction, helps control where the snow is thrown. Its ergonomic handle design enhances comfort and reduces physical strain, while the dual safety switch adds an extra layer of protection during operation. Although its runtime may not be sufficient for large driveways, its quiet performance and user-friendly setup make it an appealing option for everyday residential use.
Number 4. CRAFTSMAN 20-volt Electric Snow Shovel. The CRAFTSMAN 20-volt electric snow shovel is a compact and efficient tool designed for quick snow removal in smaller spaces. With the ability to clear a path 10 inches wide and 6 inches deep, it is best suited for light-duty tasks such as clearing walkways, steps, and small driveways. It features a powerful brushed motor and a 60-degree rotating chute, allowing users to direct snow where needed with minimal effort. The cordless design enhances mobility, although it requires a separate purchase of the V20 battery and charger, which may add to the overall cost. Its dual-handle ergonomic design ensures comfortable operation while minimizing strain, and the foldable pole allows for convenient storage. This model performs best in fluffy, powdery snow rather than heavier, compacted conditions. While it may not be the most powerful option available, its lightweight construction, ease of use, and reliable performance make it a solid choice for users seeking a simple and effective snow removal tool.
Number 5. WORX Nitro Electric Snow Shovel.
The WORX Nitro electric snow shovel is a well-rounded cordless option that combines power, convenience, and user-friendly design. It is capable of clearing paths up to 12 inches wide and 6 inches deep, making it suitable for a variety of residential applications, including driveways, decks, and walkways. With a snow-throwing distance of up to 25 feet, it effectively keeps cleared areas free from accumulation and reduces the risk of slipping hazards. One of its standout features is the 3 adjustable throwing directions, which provide better control and reduce the need for multiple passes. The shovel is designed to handle up to 2 to 4 car driveways on a single charge, making it more capable than many compact models. Its lightweight construction and ergonomic design ensure comfortable use, even during longer sessions. Additionally, the foldable handle allows for easy storage when not in use. Overall, this model delivers a strong balance of power and portability, making it a dependable choice for homeowners. Choosing the right small electric snow shovel comes down to power, weight, and ease of use for your space. The right pick saves time and effort while keeping paths clear and safe. Invest wisely, and winter cleanup becomes quicker, smoother, and far less demanding overall.